up, YouTube? Are you ready to finally see real success online? If so, you've got to hear what I have to tell you about Kevin Fahi's brand new I Am Checklist Gold membership. This one, you got to hear to believe it. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, boy, enough. Really, enough. This is really good. This is really, really good stuff. Okay, enough. He's annoying. He's so annoying, that guy. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give you a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here about your loving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. I really do love Liz. You know, like as I've been saying on the channel since the lockdown started, we've been watching 30 Rock, and I'm loving her. She's such a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. And by the way, you really do want to be subscribed, because I drop some insane bonuses when I review a product every single time. And this one, wow, you're going to love the bonus on this one. Stay with me, coming right up right now. I am Checklist Gold membership. Now, Kevin has been a good friend of mine for a while now. He's been doing the I Am thing for a decade, more than that. He really knows his stuff really, really well. He's brilliant at it. He makes a full-time living doing this. And what he's been doing lately, he's been releasing every few weeks these I Am checklists. Basically, it's a list, a checklist that helps you to get ready for various things like membership sites, for example, you see here, lead sources, daily tasks, all these kinds of things. He has these checklists ready to go. And what you're going to get when you buy the membership, you're going to get access to all this stuff. Now, here's the crazy part. You get access to all this stuff for $3. Yeah, that's $3, okay? Seriously, just $3. Now, it is a membership, so full disclosure, it's going to be $3 to start. And then I think it's like $18 a month or something like that. It's not a lot of money, really, in order to continue to get access. And he asks these things constantly. And he usually charges like $18 to $20 per checklist. You get them all. You get everything for your $18 a month. So that's an insane bargain right there. Okay, but of course, I'm going to make it even better for you. Okay, first of all, I've got a half a dozen bonuses that Kevin is giving you. Okay, so there's, let's see, 20K Extra, which I think he charged $27 for. There's his I Am funnels. There's, I don't know, a whole bunch of stuff. There's like 6 different bonuses that Kevin is letting me give you for your $3. But I also wanted to give you my own bonus, which nobody's going to do this for you. I guarantee it. Okay, I put together a 10-week email coaching sequence. These are emails that were intended for my high-ticket coaching program. What I've done is I've repurposed them for this. You're going to get access to this email sequence. These are no pitch emails. You will never see me pitching any product when you get these emails from me for this coaching series. All it is going to be information on how to succeed online, giving you solid, useful information. It starts off with asking you a series of questions that you should consider for yourself. And you get this completely for free just for trying out the I Am Checklist membership for $3,000. Okay, if you do decide to grab it and then also buy any upgrade whatsoever, okay, you get a 15-minute Zoom session with me where we can discuss your business. Again, no pitch, okay? I'm not doing this in order to be able to take like 2 seconds to hear you and say, well, if you really want to succeed, you have to buy this high-ticket coaching program for $5,000. Look, I may recommend something to you, but the point is not to pitch you anything. The point is to help you to succeed, to go over your business, to discuss what it is that you need help with.
I need help.
Yeah, exactly. Just like that. You need help too. Anyway, but seriously, the idea is to help you with whatever it is that you need to succeed. If you grab the entire funnel, which is only like two upgrades, I think. So it's not a big funnel, but if you maybe three upgrades. If you grab the entire funnel, bottom line, you get 3 months of direct access to my cell phone. That means that you have nonstop access. We talk via Voxer. It's a walkie-talkie app. Basically, you'll record messages to me. I'll respond back to you. If you need my help going over your sales pages, if you need my help discussing strategies, whatever it is that I can help you with, I'm going to be there for you. So that's 3 months of direct access. I usually charge $97 per month for that. And I haven't even offered it for a long time because, frankly, I'm really too busy to do it. But I love the I Am Checklist series, and this thing is just such a no-brainer. So I really want to help you out. So I'm going to give you that access for free when you grab the full funnel. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the members area and see what's inside of here. So this is the members area. You can see here that you really, really get a lot of stuff here. So volume 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now, each of these volumes, each one of these usually goes for like about $20. Seriously. And you're going to keep getting them again and again and again and again and again. Okay, so you're going to get all of these things. You get the four to start off with. Okay, each of these are $20 values. $27, I think. Now, I think it was $20 during launch and $27 after launch. Bottom line, you're getting for $3. $3,000 you're getting this thing for. He's insane to give this to you. I really feel like this is crazy. You're going to get all four of these, plus you're going to get all four of these included once they come out with the membership. So you're going to keep getting it over and over and over and over again. Okay, this is an insane value. So I think I kind of tipped my hat early, but let's go ahead and see if I'm officially going to tip my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat, sir.
Tip of the hat. I've always loved Kevin's I Am Checklist, but this thing is just like such a no-brainer. It's just absolutely insane. You really, really need to grab this for $3. This is probably the best investment you will ever make in your entire I Am career. And again, you're going to get my coaching program for 10 weeks. You're going to get that. You're also going to get the if you pick up any upgrade, you get a Zoom session. If you pick up the full funnel, you get 3 months of direct access to my cell phone. And actually, I forgot to mention, by the way, I also going to give you my entire six-figure coaching membership site with a million other stuff included in it. Everything is there for you. Go ahead and grab this. Really, really big no-brainer.